Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is finally my Lush Easter haul. Lush sent me the entire Easter range and I'm really excited. I always love to share like the full collection with you guys when I can. This is not sponsored, they just sent it to me for my consideration, and I love Lush and I love doing Lush hauls and I get a lot of requests for them. You guys have been really asking for the Easter haul. Sorry it's a little tardy, but here we go. All of this stuff is so cute and it smells incredible. I got the shipment in a couple of days ago and my apartment has just smelled amazing. I always love that. After I get like a shipment in from Lush or I go to Lush and I have the bag out, it's like the best air freshener ever. I wish they made like a Lush scented candle that smells the way the store does with like all the different scents mixed. It's incredible. I'm going to be using the Lush app today, which I've been loving the Lush app. I downloaded it for the Boxing Day sale because I don't know, I just like every year on the day after Christmas I set my alarm to get up and do like the buy one get one half off deal. It really rarely works out for me because I always have issues online, but there's not really a Lush near to me I'm always in North Carolina, but I won't be this year. Oh my god, the wheels are turning. This has turned into a long boring story, but I downloaded this app to try and shop the sale faster, and ever since I just love it. It has like all the new releases, so I'll be able to like look it up exactly what things smell like and let you know, because I'm always guessing and I never guess correctly, so this will just be a time saver. And I just love the app, so I would highly recommend the app. It's free, you can shop on it, you can look at the new stuff, read about things. So okay, this really sounds sponsored, but again, it's not. I just genuinely love Lush. So let's start with bath bombs first. I feel like I always start there. But there's bath bombs, there's bubble bars, bubble runes, soap, a shampoo bar, some naked stuff, and I'm excited, so let's get to it. The bath bombs this year are a mix of old and new. So the first two, which are my personal favorite scent out of this entire range, I've been buying this exact bath bomb. Well, they changed the way it looks, but like this concept of a bath bomb since I started purchasing from Lush. These have been around for forever. These are now called Which Came First. We have the speckled and the striped. So they smell the same. They're essentially the same thing. There's something inside, so you're supposed to crack this on the side of your tub or wherever you feel comfortable cracking, and there's another smaller bath bomb inside. So these are technically 3 bath bombs in one, which is really fun. It can be a little messy, but like whatever, it's fun. I will try to crack one open and show you the inside in a little insert right now, but the scent is just so incredible. So the website describes it as fuchsia waters with a fruity fragrance. It's like, I don't know, it smells like vanilla-y to me, but also fruity and like citrus. Like it just smells incredible, just trust. So these are $13, but again, it's 3 bath bombs in one. You can use the entire thing in one sitting, but that would kind of make me cringe. Use it 3 times, that's what it's made for, so. Yeah. Now we have these, which are the Free Rangers bath bombs. There are 3 different color combinations, which I have all 3. So here's the blue, here's the orange on purple, which mine got a little messed up. His beak's a little to the side, but that's fine. And then my personal favorite, the pink and the purples. So these are really cute. They did have these last year and they're huge. Last year they did, oh, I also didn't tell you, they also come apart. So they're 2 bath bombs in one. And last year, I'm just spilling bath bomb dust everywhere. Last year they did have like a little egg on the inside of them, which to be honest, I'm not completely devastated they got rid of that because it was a really tiny bath bomb anyway, and it was cute and it's like a fun surprise for kids, I guess, but just in the long run it wasn't my favorite thing. I believe these all smell the same. They do. This has bergamot and black currant in it. It smells really good. Black currant is what is in my favorite bubble bar, the Comforter. Yeah, it does smell like that. So much bath bomb dust in the lip gloss. So yeah, these are super cute. Again, 2 bath bombs in one, and these ones are only $10 compared to the other one, which is $13, but super cute for kids or just super cute for you. So the next one, which I'm sorry, but I'm leaving it in the package. This is one of my favorite things Lush has ever released. I love this. I am definitely going to be going to Lush and buying maybe 5. That was an exaggeration, but actually it's not. I will be buying 5. This is the Golden Egg Bath Bomb Melt, which is why I love it so much, because it's 2 things in one. You guys know I love the Butterball bath bomb because it's very moisturizing, and this is like that times 70. It is very glittery, yes, and the glitter does transfer to your fingers and it will get a little bit in your tub, but for me, I've never had too much of an issue. If it doesn't all go down the first time, then I will just rinse it again with like the shower or the next time I bathe, and it will rinse out. But this is basically, it's a bath melt surrounding a bath bomb. So it disperses the melt first and then it starts to fizz away, It smells like the Honey I Wash the Kids soap, so it smells very like honey toffee sweet like, but not too sweet. It's literally incredible. And it's just one of my favorite things Lush has ever released. So I would highly recommend this. I recommend this to everybody I know around this time when they ask me what they should get. It is this. I'm sure you've tried it by now if you're an avid Lush lover like me, but if you haven't, you must. And then we have a new bath bomb this year. This is April Showers. It's really cute. It's a little cloud and it's got little like purple and pink teardrops for the saying April showers bring May flowers, which actually it's not quite April, but we are having a very rainy day today in LA, which we've been having kind of a lot of lately, which is not normal for us, but I've been enjoying it. And I'm definitely going to take advantage of the rainy cold weather and have a nice bath later with some of this stuff. I'm really excited. But anyway, back to this. This has foresty cedarwood and cypress oils, but also has cocoa butter in it and tonka and fresh violet leaf. This has a lot in it. It smells very interesting. It smells woodsy but fresh at the same time. That makes no sense, but that's what it smells like. But I just think it's really cute. Again, this would be an easy one to break in half. Oh, these are melty. How fun. I made a mess, but let me just rub that back on there. So those are going to be like cocoa butter beads. Oh, it's going to be great. I cannot wait to try that now. I mean, I already was excited, but now I'm even more excited. Now moving on to bubble bars, we have mostly new, which is exciting. We have the Bunch of Carrots, which this is a staple. This comes out every single year. It's really, really cute. This is a reusable bubble bar, which if you don't know what that means, you basically just run these or one of them under the faucet and then they create the bubbles and then you lay them to dry and then you can use them again. So they're really cute. It is kind of annoying to let them dry, but you just need to put out like a Kleenex or something because they do bleed color when they're wet. Just something to keep in mind. These smell really good. They smell like bergamot and lemon, I believe. Yes, lemon bergamot. This is a very like morning bath scent to me. It's just like fresh and uplifting and it just smells so good. And it's so cute. Who doesn't love a purple carrot? Next we have the Le Poisson. That's not actually what it's called. It's called the Poisson d'Avril, which this had an interesting story behind it. Oh, speaking of, this creamy melty egg was a play on cream eggs, which are very popular on Easter, which like I thought that was so, like, such a good idea, and I'd never realized it until they sent me, like, the press release, and I was like, oh, that's genius. And there's some other cream eggs that I'll show you in a minute, but hold on, back to this. There's some sort of, like, April Fool's Day prank in France that has to do with a fish. I should have re-looked this up. This has a lot in it. It has cinnamon leaf, spicy black pepper, neroli, and that's it. Ooh. So it is a little bit more of like a warmer, spicy scent, but it's like nice. It's still like spring-like at the same time. That's very odd. It's like citrusy and spicy. So, and he's really cute. He's a little fish. We also have this thing, which is in a little bag, but I can take it out because it has this I can hold on to it with. This is the 7 Deadly Spins Bubble Spinner. So it's like a fidget spinner. Okay, it's so glittery. I'm not even going to play with that game right now. This is also a reusable bubble bar, and this one is $6. That's pretty good for a bubble bar, I think. They described it. Ooh, wow. This is very citrusy and very nice. I'm very into citrus right now. I just talked in my empties about my doTERRA wild orange oil and this smells like that. Oh my god. It smells so good. So basically you hold the wooden things and you hold this under the faucet and the water kind of makes it do the fidget spinning, you know? So that's a cute idea, I guess. And then the last bubble bars are these cream egg bubble runes, which I think these are going to be my favorite because they're mint chocolate scented. Which reminds me of that bath bomb from the Christmas release, which name escapes me right now, but I loved it so much I went back and bought a couple more, and I just used up my last one the other day. But these are the bubble rune style, so it's like 2 bath bombs together with like cocoa and shea butter, some sort of amazing melt mixture in the middle, and you're supposed to crack a piece off with that middle stuff inside, and it just has really like moisturizing bubbles. Like, it's crazy, and it really does work. I feel like these ones are definitely more minty than that other mint chocolate one. Like, this is a very like minty wake you up scent, which I really like. So we have this version, which is like kind of a pink rainbow, which is cute, and then we have this spotted one, and then there's another yellow polka dotted one, and they're really cute and they smell incredible. Now moving on to the like shower and like hair care stuff, we have a shampoo bar, which is so cute. This is called Wash Behind Your Ears. It is so cute. I'm not really sure what you do with these. Maybe you just pop them off and this thing. But I love the shampoo bars. My favorite one is the Godiva shampoo bar. It smells like jasmine. But if you have never used one, it's just basically solid shampoo. You run it under the water, get it kind of lathering, and then you wash your hair with it. And I love my Godiva one because it doesn't like make my hair greasy or weigh it down, but I love the lingering scent it gives. I feel like they really do clean your hair. Just, I love them. They're great for travel. I have the little like tin that you keep them in to keep them as fresh and dry for as long as possible. This one smells really good. It smells citrusy. I think everything smells citrusy today though. But I'm right. Lemon and rosewood. Ooh, yum. Oh, so good. And it's just so cute. Oh my goodness, are you kidding? We have this, which I'm so excited to put out on my little soap dish. I believe this is just called carrot soap. Yes, carrot soap. This has cocoa butter in it, cedarwood, tangerine oil, and it says it's just supposed to lift your mood, which it smells really, really good. And just like, how freaking cute is that? I imagine in store, when you're buying this, they're all cut like this. I'm not positive though, because the way their soaps work, it's kind of like a deli. You're like, I would like $5 worth of this soap, please. And they're like, okay, and they cut it and they weigh it for you. But I would imagine all of the carrot soaps are this cute. So I'm not sure. I'm sure if you order it online, it would be this cute, which I'll have all this stuff linked down below. A lot of it does seem to be sold out because I'm so sorry this is so late. But if you go into your Lush shop, they should have all of this. And I'll link it all down below because I'm sure they'll restock. We're still, what, a week-ish away from Easter. But you can check the links down below. Not all of it's sold out, just a few pieces. But and then you can also look inside your shop, because I just went into a Lush shop the other day and they had all this stuff. And then last but not least is the Here Comes the Sun Naked Shower Cream. I loved the Valentine's Day one. I forget what it was called, but it smelled incredible. I loved it. These are basically more moisturizing shower gels. They're not as like moisturizing as like the Rose Argan leave-on body conditioner, which it's like an in-shower moisturizer, but this is just more of like a creamy body wash. And I love the way they look. And everybody's like, isn't that just soap? I guess essentially, but I'm sure there's some sort of a different formula to it. And I like the naked packaging so they're not wasting any plastic, which I think is really nice. It smells very citrusy. I know for sure. Yeah, the scent of this is pretty much just orange. Yeah, it's supposed to make you feel sunny and bright. Wow, I'm really addicted to orange scents right now, guys. But okay, guys, that is it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know in a comment down below your favorite pick of the Easter haul. I don't know what my favorite is. Probably the egg bubble rune. I'm very excited to try that. But yeah, I love you guys. If you want more Lush hauls or Lush videos, I do a ton of them. I will link my playlist up in the corner. Next will be Mother's Day, which I've already had like a sneak peek on the UK website of like what the Mother's Day collection will be like, but it's not always the same. We don't usually get as much as the UK does, but I still like to look. So I will be back soon with the Mother's Day Lush haul. But I love you guys. If you want to subscribe, I will have my face right here and some more videos and playlists down here that you can watch. Otherwise, I will see you soon in the next video, and I hope you have a great day. Bye. Just flicked myself in the chin, but okay, bye.